Hey, what's up guys? So today I received iPadOS 26 update on my iPad Pro, and I also have Galaxy Tab S10 FE here. Now with iPadOS 26, we have a brand new feature called Windowed Apps, which basically allows you to open apps in Windows. Now this is something we have had on One UI and Galaxy tablets and Galaxy devices for several years now, and I just wanted to compare these windowed apps on these two devices running two different softwares and which one is better. And there is this one specific feature which makes One UI leapfrog ahead of iPadOS. I'll talk about that feature later on in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. So first of all, you need to turn on the windowed apps on iPadOS 26. If you have received the new update, go in settings and then scroll down and go in multitasking and gestures. And here you need to turn on windowed apps. So if I open any app on my iPad, you will now see this curved bar at the bottom right of the display, and I can just tap on it and bring it forward, and that will create a windowed app on the iPad. And I can open as many apps as I want using this feature, and I can resize the apps to the limit that the app allows. There is a specific limit, you cannot go really small. So that's how you open windowed apps on iPadOS, and you can open several apps. I don't know how many, I haven't counted. So you can do this and you can keep going just like that and open several apps on iPad. In windowed apps, you will see this new element in iPadOS, which is this traffic light menu here, which allows you to maximize the app, minimize it, or close it. So if I tap this red button, it will close the app completely. I can minimize the app and I can maximize the app as well. Now another new feature you will see here is that if you swipe down from the top, you will see this new taskbar or menu for the app, just like MacBooks. So from here you can access the settings of that specific app, and you still get that traffic light menu from where you can again launch the app into windowed mode. And you can also resize the app from the right or left bottom corner. So that's very convenient. Now another thing here is that if you swipe up, the open apps will move to the side, but they will still appear on the sides of the display. So you have an idea of what apps you're still working with, and you can tap on any one of them and they will all open again. Now to completely make them disappear, you have to swipe up and they'll move to the side, and you swipe up again and now you will find them in the recents menu. They're all over here. Now let's move over to the Galaxy tablet. You can open any app, it will open in full window, and now you can just swipe from the top right or left corner and it will launch the app into windowed mode. So that's very convenient. There is another option to do this. You will see this bar here, which you can turn on from the advanced settings in the labs, and just tap on it and it gives you this option to open the app in pop-up view. So this is basically the pop-up view or windowed app. And then you can resize it as well, just like you've seen on the Galaxy tablet. The only difference here is that it allows you to make this really short, to the point that you can totally minimize the app, and then it just floats on the display as this floating icon. Now there is a trick to it. You can open multiple apps like that, just like you have seen on the iPad. So we now have multiple apps open here. You can open one more. So now I've got 3 apps open here, one in this floating icon. So now I have 4 apps open here. Now I can close them all very quickly, just swipe up and they go away, but they are still all present in this floating icon. You will see that they are all available here. And if I go in the recents menu, they are also available in the recents menu. So from here, I can open them one by one, or what I can do is that I can open them one by one from here, or I can just tap this button here and it will open all 4 of them at once. Now, while we have this traffic light menu on iPad, we have the same exact menu on the Galaxy tablet in One UI, where you can minimize the app, you can maximize it, and you can close it. So if you minimize it, it goes back into this floating icon. You can maximize it to the full window and you can close it. Now let's talk about the multi-window feature on these two devices and how we can open multiple windows side by side and multitask more effectively. On iPad, it's pretty simple. If you have 2 apps or more than 2 apps open side by side, you can launch them in multi-window. So if I have got these 2 apps side by side, I can tap on this menu here, then long press on the green button and it opens the multi-window option. So I can use the move and resize option, or I can use the fill and arrange option, which allows me to open apps side by side, and I can then change their size as well. If I've got 3 apps open side by side, I can use these 3 apps more effectively on iPad. On Galaxy tablet and One UI, it's a little bit different. So you tap on this 3-dot menu and then you tap on this button and it opens this app in half the window, and I can open any other app from the menu in the other half. Now on iPad, I can still bring in the 4th app from the app bar and open it in this floating window. Similarly, on the Galaxy tablet, I can bring in the 3rd app, but it will not float, it will only fit in to the display, and now I have got 3 apps open side by side, and I can resize them either like this or like this, and I can also rotate them by just tapping on this button. Now I cannot bring in the 4th app to open it in 4 quadrants, but just like on iPad, I can bring in the 4th app and open it in the windowed option on top of these 3 apps. Now on iPad, I can minimize these apps and they have their own section here, and I can open any other app and just use them. And if I go back into the recents menu, I'll find those 4 apps still there, and I can just open them and start using them. It's a little bit of a mess because then the full screen app will open alongside those 4 apps, so not really ideal. But if I go up, these apps move to the side just like I've shown you before, and then I can tap on it to bring all of them together. The Galaxy tablet, it's a little bit different. So if I swipe up, they will all go away. The app that was open in the windowed app will become minimized in this icon here, and I can open it again. But the other 3 apps that were open in multi-window, I'll find them in that same orientation right here. So I can tap on them and open them again, which is a better implementation of multi-windowed apps on Galaxy tablet as compared to what we get on an iPad. Now on Galaxy tablet, I can open multiple sets of different apps and they will be present in the recents menu. So for example, I can open this app here, and then I can go in the menu and I can open another app here, and then I minimize them. I will find that in the recents menu as well. So now I've got a 3 set of apps right here and then another set of 2 apps right here. And now I want to talk about the feature that makes multi-window on Galaxy tablets much more effective and fun as compared to on iPad. So if I go in this app pair where I have got 3 windows open or 3 apps open side by side, I can tap on this 3-dot menu and then tap on this star button and it will create an app pair. And it will give me an option to add the app pair to the taskbar, the home screen, or the edge panel. So I'll add it to the home screen, and now if I go back, you will see that I have this app pair available on the home screen, and at any time I want to use or open these 3 apps side by side, I can just tap on it and these 3 apps will open instantly. And here you can see that I've got several app pairs already made, and you will also notice that I can create app pairs with similar apps. So I've got Google Keep in this app pair, in this one, and in this one as well. So I can open this app pair as well and it will open with these 3 apps, or I can open this app pair and it will open these 2 apps. So you can create different app pairs that you use side by side more frequently and put them on the home screen in the taskbar, or you can also put them in the edge panel. So now you can also find this app pair in the edge panel and tap on it to open it from here. There you go. So here's my conclusion. Windowed app experience on both iPad and Galaxy tablets is pretty similar, but there are some extra features on Galaxy tablets that make using windowed apps or multi-windows much more effective and fun, like you've seen with the app pairs or with the floating bubbles that you can tap at any time from anywhere to open any app anywhere while using the tablet. And that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one and I hope you've learned something with this video. If you have any questions about multi-window, multitasking on Galaxy tablet or on iPad, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.